Afternoon guys, got on about last year, November, December, we nipped into one of the towns and nipped into a charity shop and found one of these. Plant Theory Extreme Chilli Kit, grow your own. 100% plastic free and vegan friendly. What's in the kit? You get a packet of seed, packet of paper lanterns, a packet of chocolate habanero, a packet of demon red, one packet of red Scotch bonnets, 5 biodegradable bamboo pots, 1 jute bag, 1 V-Grow, multi-purpose compost, vegan friendly, peat free, 0.9 litre, 5 plant markers, 1 pencil, 1 tweezer, 1 pack of vermiculite and 7 instruction cards. I only paid £3 for this. It's worth £3 just for the seeds. So what's in it? By the way, I'm not sponsored for this thing by any Michael chance. So first of all, let's have a look at what's in this bag. It doesn't want to open itself up for some reason. It looks like it's just the actual compost. Yeah. Compost. Now I'll be using that. I'll be using my own, 1 minute. My own garland 7 planters. Now this has got a mixture of compost that's been sieved and cocoa coir, and it's been indoors now for 2 days on the garland 7 propagator. Now it has been switched on, so the soil is now warm, and I'll be planting some of these as well as other seeds into them later on. But that's what this is going to go into. Let's open up the kit altogether. There's these seeds and your little small packet of vermiculite. Doesn't feel like there's that many actual seeds in these, to be honest. Let's see now. Oh, we've got 2. 2 of the same. And we got so now this packet has not got the seeds. What says on the back of it? So maybe this is why it was only £3, but it'll be mixed up. Now I've got Scotch bonnets, but I've not got the chocolate. It doesn't matter, there's still chilies. Chilies I've never grown before, to be honest. Some of these are really odd names. Now, rest of there, let's have a look. Big tweezers, looks like they're made out of bamboo. 1 pencil, and these little plastic bamboo pots. Plant labels, bamboo sticks again, and these are your extreme kit. Now, does this kit add up to the wrong seeds that they've actually given me? Now, it says here, it says how to do this cyan, whichever way you want to pronounce it. It's not bad. it does tell you what it's for, and on the back of it, it gives you recipe ideas. So I've got the sienna, whatever you want to call it. Lantern. No, I didn't get that one. Chocolate habanero. Didn't get that. Demon red. I didn't get it either. Scotch bonnet, yes I did get. But to be honest, I did pick about 2 or 3 of these tubes up. So what I might do is, I might find the others and actually see what's in there in a minute. But I don't need to plant too many of these, so they can be back in there. I won't be using the labels. I won't be using the vermiculite either. I'll keep everything else in there. So what I'm actually going to do today is I'm going to do the sienna. So I'll probably do 6 in that. I'll do the Scotch bonnet. This is a bit one, the Bucano. Probably pronounced that totally wrong. And a Sonaro. Now these will be what I will be putting on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get them other packets and have a look to see what's in them. So we'll see in a minute. Right guys, I looked for the other kits of these chilies that I've shown you before. I can't seem to find them. But I did find the herb kit. I'll look at them all the time. So I've got 4 different varieties of chilies here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in these. Not all 4 varieties, I'm going to put 2 varieties in one and 2 varieties into another. So all of them is the actual big lollipop sticks that you get. I just draw a line down them and put them in what they are. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to place the stick in, as so, and I'm going to put 8 seeds in here, 4 of each, just to make sure we get some sort of germination. See, these are very old seeds, I didn't realise this either. It actually states on the back, sold by 2022. So, that's 12/22. So they're already out of date, but we'll see how they go on. So this one is the Serrano. And like I said before, I don't know how many seeds are in here either. So there may be just a few. So let's open them up and let's have a look what we've actually got. One's already come out. All I'm going to do is I'm going to use the pencil that you used to get with it, just to really, just to prod the holes for them. Now it looks like you don't get very many seeds at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put 1 in each cell for a minute. Your hole. Not really a cell as such as it. Dip it down a little more. Now this pack I've only got 2 left, so I'm just going to literally just put 2. In, and I'm just going to cover them up very lightly. Once again, this packet is 2022. Not major out of date, but it'd be better if it wasn't this far out of date. But like I said, I did buy them from a charity shop, so it's a charity anyway, doesn't it, at the end of the day. Why is it I can never open packets of seeds, me? No matter what I rip open, I can never open the damn things. And these are those odd name ones. And once again, one seems to be 6 in each, I think, by the looks of it. And once again, I'm just going to put 2 in each one. This compost mix that I did is nice and warm because it's been underheated. Probably gets other, you can probably tell by the condensation. I'm going to leave the holes open a little bit to make sure that no mould actually appears. I'll do the other ones and I'll come back to them. Right, that's all them sown. I have to get 6 seeds per packet. Now, I don't think you get much more in normal packets, to be honest. So once again, I'll leave that partly open. That's going to go on to my garland 7 over there. It's getting a little bit of sunlight from the window, but not a lot. Once I clear the greenhouse out, I'll probably put some of these heated mats, well, trays into the greenhouse. I'm going to get a power supply up in there, but obviously not as of yet because it's still a bit too cold. That's really just a little bit of an update, really. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye now.